Hello, leadership team and agents in Coldwell Banker Realty, New Jersey and Rockland, New York. I hope everybody's doing well. I'm here with the latest update with the Realty Advantage Broker Network, the old Cardis Network, and I could not be happier to be bringing you this news. Again, last month, if you recall, we were at 31 points, 31 on a goal of 31 points for Platinum. This month, we are at 34 points, so we're really killing it and bringing it home. I cannot be happier to be bringing you this news. This is probably the best since I've been here, the best position we've been in platinum-wise at this time of the year, where we've been over platinum and not trying to struggle to make it toward platinum. So thank you so much for all your hard work. It's really, really paying off. So there's three things we want to concentrate on this month, and they are conversion, outgoing referrals, and agent-generated referrals. So let's start with conversion. Remember to treat each lead like it's your last. We're doing a great job at converting the files that we can, but treat each one and try to convert on every single one that you can. That means reaching out to them when you can, and if they are unresponsive, let the specialist know, but continue to reach out to them. These are trying times, and that client might be going through something, so they might take a little bit more time to get in touch with. So that's the first thing. The second thing that you want to do is concentrate on your outgoing referrals. Those are the referrals that you send through our outgoing department, and Carla Barrow, who's an awesome specialist, helps you get those referrals placed out to the network. And that is spectacular, the job that she does, and we're doing a spectacular job at getting those referrals out into the system. Finally, the third thing I want to concentrate on is our agent-generated referrals. So if you have a client that is a military member or has military ties, put in that agent-generated referral through the system, or look for clients that you can put in through the system using that agent-generated referral. It's a spectacular way for us to earn points and for you to draw that client toward you to ensure that they stay with you, especially those buyers. So those are the three things: conversion, outgoing referrals, and agent-generated referrals. One more thing. Thank you so much for those of you who were able to attend those last 4 sessions that we did the last couple of days. They were great sessions, I believe. And if you were not able to attend, what we will do is we will get the recording for those sessions out to you within a week or so. Please be patient with us as we get them out to you, because we're also going to be sending out questions and answers, some of the questions that we weren't able to get to during those sessions. We're also sending out the marketing materials that we covered during those sessions as well. So I'm really excited to get that in your hands as well. But this has been a tremendous week. Between those sessions that we had that went so well, and hope that you enjoyed, and finding out that we are at 34 points and over platinum and in platinum status right now, it has been a spectacular week. I hope everybody's doing well out there, and I hope you have a great remainder of the week. Thank you for all you do.